Guys, in this quick tutorial, I'm going to remind you how to use EquatIO to type math using a Google form. So the first thing you'll want to make sure that you have is that on your plugins menu, so either on the top right corner here, you have this little blue square icon. It might be on the taskbar that's displayed. You might have to click on the puzzle piece, but somewhere on the list of extensions, you should have EquatIO. Along with that, you should see a little blue square icon to the right of each answer blank. If you don't have either of those things, your first step is to make sure that you're logged in with your school Chrome account. Second step is to make sure that you have restarted your computer. If neither of those things works, send me an email and I can help you troubleshoot or direct you to IT. But hopefully you have EquatIO and you see that little blue dot. That little blue icon is what's going to let you insert math into a problem. So once you click on that, you should see this EquatIO toolbar pop up along the bottom of your screen. And the thing that you're going to click on is right here, this first button towards the right where it says Equation Editor. Now you are all set up to type in any math that you need. So for us, that's logarithms and exponents. So if I want to type in an exponential equation, something like 36 is equal to 6 squared, then of course I'd start by typing in my numbers. 36 is equal to 6, and here's where the magic comes in, the caret key. So shift 6 will give you an exponent. So you do shift 6, and now see how my cursor is slightly raised? Now I have to press the number 2, it will give it to me as a superscript. And then if you want to exit out of superscript, just hit the right arrow key, and then you could type more normal numbers if you needed to. But that's the equation that I want. 36 is equal to 6 squared. So now I'm going to hit the Insert Math button, or sometimes you'll just see a little check mark on the bottom right of your EquatIO toolbar, and that will insert it into your Google form. Now, if you realize that you made a typo, you can hit the little X symbol there to clear it out, and then you can enter in a new answer. So say I wanted to type in a different exponential equation. Maybe 9 squared is equal to 81. Then I would do the same thing. I would open EquatIO, hit the equation editor button if I need to. You can toggle that up and down. And then you're going to have to erase whatever you typed previously. So just select that and backspace, and then you can type 9 squared. So 9, again, to get the exponent, that's shift 6, the caret key. Type in your exponent and then use the right arrow key to get out of exponent mode. And then you can type out that is equal to 81. Once you have your math the way you like it, insert math. So that's how you would type in an exponential equation. You might also need to type a logarithm. For the base of the logarithm, the underscore button is going to be your friend. So if I open up EquatIO, delete what is already there, and let's say I want to type log base 5 of 25 equals 2. So then I'm going to type out log, and then to get the base, you're going to use the underscore key. So shift dash underscore, and then type in the base that you want. For us, we want base 5. So that's log base 5. Again, use the right arrow key to exit out of the underscore mode, and then you can type in the argument of 25, and that's equal to 2. Once you have it the way you like it, insert math. One more example for typing in a logarithm with a base. I'm going to say 3 is equal to log base 3 of 27. So insert math, select and delete what's already there, and then I'm going to say 3 is equal to log. To get the base, again, that's the underscore button. So shift underscore, log base 3, then right arrow key, and my argument is 27, insert math. So the two key buttons that you're going to need to remember are the caret symbol, that is shift 6, and the underscore symbol, that is shift dash, and that will give you your exponent and your base that you need for exponentials and logarithms. Again, if you need any help typing math, feel free to reach out, but hopefully this refresher will get you going for my homework today.